Hi guys, good morning. So we are here at day 5 of our program. I know it would have taken you more than 5 days to come up till here, assuming that you are doing your assignments and your exercises. But in terms of program, this is the day 5, and we're gonna spend two specific modules on reference response formula. See, references, if you look at it, is the most powerful card that you have for your job search if you know how to get those references activated. Believe you me, references have tremendous power. Many a times, references help create positions in organizations which actually doesn't exist. References to a large extent also helps you in smoothing the overall interview process. And obviously, when you go by some reference, your chances of getting the interview scheduled are very, very high. It's just that unfortunately, I have seen people are not at all using references. Before making this module, I have spoken with around 100 people, and I realized that leave about conversion, even when it comes to reaching the references, most of the people are not doing it. I give you some facts. So tell me guys, how many contacts you would have in phone. I am assuming each one of us will have at least 500 contacts in our phones. And if we talk about our social networks, which is your LinkedIn, which is your Instagram, which is your Facebook, Twitter, wherever you are, how many contacts in total you will have? Bare minimum, again, another 500. So we are talking about total 1,000 connects you have, right? Now, out of these 1,000 contacts, let's eliminate 500 contacts, considering you will have repetition between your social network and your phone book, considering you will have some random contacts whom you don't know at all. So let's eliminate 500 contacts. We are left with 500 contacts now, right? So out of these 500 contacts, tell me guys honestly, or think about it honestly, how many people you have connected from your reference list and you have approached them to get help, to get support in your job search. Think of it honestly. I interviewed these 100 people. None of them have reached a number of 20 connects whom they have approached to seek help in your job. And then we talk about whether references work or whether references don't work. You have not even touched 5% or 2.5% of the contact network that you have in your phone book and in your social media. So before we go any forward and move on to the next module and talk about how do you convert each of your contacts, I think the first assignment is you every day figure out 20 contacts. 10 could be from your phone book and 10 could be from your social network, right? These 20 contacts you have to touch base over the phone to seek help on your job search. I will tell you what exactly to tell them, but 20 contacts on daily basis. If some of them you can't reach over phone, then we will reach them over the message. So total 20 contacts if you do till the time you exhaust your network, I am telling you, you will reach a gold mine. In fact, next 5 days, if you do it genuinely, 20 contacts a day for 5 days makes it 100. Within these 100, you will see your life and your connects and your job search completely transforming. So right now, what I want you to do, guys, below in the comment box, write the name, just the name of 20 connects whom you will be targeting between today and tomorrow. Just the name of 20 connects from your phone book or from your social media whom you will be targeting between today and tomorrow. I will see you in the next module where we're going to talk about how to convert each of these contacts. But before that, write which are those contacts for your day one. Thank you.